In this video, I will show you exactly how to download your response database lists as professional Excel spreadsheet tables directly from your Typeform account. Managing your data effectively is a crucial part of any workflow, and getting your information out of the platform and into a spreadsheet is actually a very simple and straightforward process. To get started with the export, first log into your dashboard and click on the specific form containing the submission data that you want to export. Once you are inside your chosen form, look at the main menu panel at the very top of your screen and click on the Results tab. This will open up your data overview. From there, you need to select responses from the sub-navigation menu located directly underneath the top tabs. This will bring up your full list of individual submissions. Now, look for the utility area situated right above your data grid and look for the button labeled Download All Responses. When you click that, a side panel or modal window will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can select your preferred file format for the export. Since we want an Excel file, ensure you select the XLSX option from the list of choices. After you have made that selection, simply click the big blue Download button at the bottom of the panel. Your browser will immediately begin downloading the file, and once it is finished, you can open it up to find all of your responses organized into neat columns and rows. This makes it incredibly easy to perform further analysis, share the data with your team members, or keep a backup of your important information for future use. Following these simple steps ensures that you can move your data wherever it needs to go without any stress or technical difficulties in just a matter of moments.